Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called quality loss function. It is a method of measuring losses that are incurred due to not perfect our compliant production or a process. The largest share in global losses of quality are those manifesting themselves in the longer term related to customer dissatisfaction, loss of market, increased stock performance drop, etc. In order to estimate them, the quality loss function is used, especially in manufacturing organization. The way the loss function is defined depends on the type of quality characteristic. The idea generated by Genichi Taguchi, a Japanese revolutionized approach to the product quality assurance. Two types of factors interact with the functional characteristic of product: controllable, which can be easily inspected and maintained; interfering, which is difficult to control and often impossible. These actions in any case are very expensive. You can extract the three basic type of interference, that is outer noise resulting from impact of weather condition and environment; inner noise such as aging equipment, tolerances causing deterioration between products; noise that is caused by imperfection in manufacturing process and cost deviation between individual items of the product. Interfering factors are responsible for the deviation of the functional characteristic from the desired value. Because the measurement of these factors is expensive and often even impossible, in the Taguchi method, we don't try to identify them and then control, but rather select such values of controllable factors that minimize product and process sensitivity to changes in interfering factors. Instead of seeking out and eliminating the causes, we try to reduce the impact of these causes. This type of procedure allows to create a product resistant to interference. Many of the organizations in India also evaluate. In one of my previous organization, TVS group of company, we used to evaluate under the guidance of a Japanese trainer, and it was very useful in improving or reducing the loss in the organization. Thanks for watching. Bye.